Hello guys, welcome back to Business Daily, and from the title of the video, I'm sure you're wondering how can one make 75,000 Kenya shillings per month from a Kibanda business. Well, if you want to find out, please subscribe to the channel, like the video and share. If you have any inquiries or suggestions, please let me know down in the comment section. Starting a Kibanda business is a lucrative business idea in Kenya that many people have not discovered. Majority of Kenyans include vegetables in their diets, making the Kibanda business in Kenya in demand. And just like any other business, you need to be passionate and determined in order to make your green grocery business a success. Such kind of a business helps to do away with unemployment and poverty in the society. How will you manage to make 75,000 Kenya shillings per month from this Kibanda business? Well, first, you will need about 60,000 Kenya shillings as starting capital. And from this amount, you will be able to create 5 different Kibandas in different areas. And since it's a Kibanda, there are no legal requirements because the city council officers usually charge 50 shillings daily for the business to operate. Step 2 is the construction of the vibandas, and it will cost you about 10,000 Kenya shillings. This will cater for the building materials plus labor. Make it simple and at a clean environment. The third step is to niche down. And when it comes to the Kibanda business, it depends with the location you choose. If the business is in a low competition area, you can set up a mama mboga Kibanda with the general vegetables. But if it's on a high competition area, just niche down to things that are in demand but are scarce. And this is where we are going to start off. We all know that majority of Kenyans love to eat traditional foods. So if we are going to niche down, we can either sell arrowroots and sweet potatoes, the ndoma and guashe. Now that we know what we will sell, what is the cost of buying them? For bringing a 90 kg bag of arrowroots, it will cost about 7,000 Kenya shillings. I'm not sure if the prices are up or down, but I think they're up. And for bringing a 90 kg bag of sweet potatoes will cost about 8,000 Kenya shillings. And from this, you will need to calculate on how much you will get to sort out the 5 vibandas that you own. Once you know how much stock you'll bring, you'll need to get the employees. And you'll need to look for a minimum of 5 employees. And yes, in this case, you won't be the one working for the vibandas, but instead you will hire people to work for the vibandas that you own. And the target people is, you can go and look for those ladies who normally do laundry and get paid 500 Kenya shillings, the mama fuas. You can ask a few if they'd like to work at a Kibanda. And the trick here is to make sure that these ladies are not from the same area, or if they are from the same area, they shouldn't know the plan. Give them a great deal, one that they cannot resist. But on that deal, make sure that they will all agree to give you 500 Kenya shillings daily from the business, and this will be your cash, meaning that each day you will be making 2,500 from collecting from all the 5 different Kibandas. Now, once you know what you'll be getting, you'll have to save that money to raise that money to manage to make the 75,000 Kenya shillings. But when it comes to the payment and stock for the employee, you'll need, when you go in the afternoon to collect the money, or you always ensure you are given a report on how the sales were and what is on demand on the area, so that you can start adding different vegetables. And for your employee, you can always pay her or him between 1,000 and 1,500 daily for her to continue working and motivate her. This is a good or an ideal amount you can pay them on a daily basis. And as you can see from this strategy given, you can easily make more money from the Kibanda business, since vegetables are an essential commodity and people must eat, and people will continue to eat greens. With great determination and consistency, you are bound to succeed. That's it for today's video. If you have any information or any questions, please do